Stop losing your carp, the simple trick to keep your worm bait catching big fish. Ever been fishing with worms for carp and notice this pattern? You catch 2 or 3, then the bites just stop? This happens a lot in summer and fall, and here's why and how to fix it. Most anglers use fermented corn to bait carp. Its main job is to hold fish in your spot, not just attract them. In cold weather, carp stick around longer and bites are steady. But when it's warm, carp don't stay, they eat what's available and move on. Small fish also swarm quickly, eating up your bait before the carp even arrive. So if your bites slow down, it's usually because your bait has been eaten. The fix? Rebait your spot at the right time and in the right amount. If the area is quiet, with few small fish or carp, patience is enough. If small fish are everywhere, or you spot a big carp, rebait regularly every 2-3 hours if fishing long sessions. Watch for signs. When small fish quiet down and carp start biting, but then bites drop again, it's time to top up your bait. How to rebait? Shallow water with few small fish, simply throw a small handful of fermented corn or pellets. Lots of small fish, deep water, dip worms in sticky corn or powder and toss them in like a slow shake and drop technique. Plenty of carp and small fish, mix heavy, coarse commercial bait with fermented corn, shape into balls, and drop on or near your hook. Remember, worms work best in cooler weather when fish are less active. In hot September, focus on commercial bait and use worms mostly for testing or picky fish. The key takeaway: keep your bait in the spot to hold fish, adjust based on conditions, and timing is everything. Follow these tips and your bites will keep coming. Have you had this happen when fishing with worms? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips.